Hey, Stevie again. It's Thursday night. It's a school night. We've got a few things cooking. We've finished up the pond recreation today. All the work has been done. So that's nice. I got good water flow. We should have a nice, clean, beautiful pond this year. I got the Acoustasonic Tele, and I got in the mood to play this old folk song. It's done by a bunch of people, including Peter, Paul, and Mary. And now me again, on the Acoustasonic Telecaster, made by Fender in the United States, in California. Freight train, rolling so fast. Freight train, rolling so fast. Please don't tell what train I'm on, so they won't know where I've gone. Freight train, rolling round the bend. Freight train, gone again. Love to hear that old whistle cry as she goes rolling by. Freight train, rolling so fast. Freight train, rolling so fast. Please don't tell what train I'm on, so they won't know where I've gone. Freight train, rolling round the bend. Freight train, gone again. Love to hear that old whistle cry as she goes rolling by. When I die, please bury me deep down at the end of Bleecker Street, so I can hear old number 9 as she goes rolling by. Freight train, rolling so fast. Freight train, rolling so fast. Please don't tell what train I'm on, so they won't know where I've gone. Please don't tell what train I'm on, so they won't know where I've gone. Freight train. Peter, Paul, and Mary, and everybody and their cousin Willie, who was a folk singer, did that tune. Great old song. I don't know. I just saw it, got in the mood, and played it. Here you go. Happy Thursday.